In this guide, I'm going to show you an easy way for you to increase the maximum volume on your iPhone. This trick is going to work for both built-in speakers and your headphones. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up the settings app on your device, and we're going to actually be adjusting two different settings on here. First things first, scroll down and go into your accessibility settings. And once you're in your accessibility options, go ahead and scroll down, and what you're looking for is the audio and visual settings right here. Select that to open it up, and up at the very top, find the headphone accommodation setting right here. Turn this feature on. Under the option that says tune audio for, what you're going to want to do is select vocal range right here, and then find this little slider right here and drag it all the way to strong. This is going to boost the clarity and overall volume through your headphones. After turning that on, return to the main settings page. It looks something like this, and scroll down, and you're looking for the sounds and haptic settings right here. Open it up and scroll all the way to the bottom and find the built-in speaker limit and select volume limit on here. From here, go ahead and tick this on, and you're going to see a maximum limit set to 60%. If it is set to 60% or any lower value, increase it up to 90 by just dragging the slider all the way up there. Or what you could do is just turn off this completely, because this is going to remove any restriction on how loud your iPhone speakers can get. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.